how to turn off or on upcoming events notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First, open VK and then click hub, and now click these three lines and then click settings, and that's it. Once you're here, click notifications and then scroll down, and here you will find upcoming events. Click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.